This video is going to show you how to create your own personalized spelling lists so that you can learn how to spell words that you are having trouble spelling. First, you go to your own account and you go to your home page, and you'll notice that there is a button right here called Create a List. It's also right here in the icon. So you press the icon, Create a List, and there is the file right there. It says name your list, enter your words, and save. So start by entering your list name, and your first one you can call My Personal List. So type in My Personal List. And then we have to go and get your words. So you're going to go here to My Records, and that's going to tell us that it's going to, okay, we're going to have to come back to that. So we'll hit OK. All right, so we have our first spelling test right here, and over here under missed words are all of the words that you spelled incorrectly on your first test. Some of you might have 0, some of you might have 1, some of you might have a number of words like there are here. So what you're going to need to do is write these words down or take your printed test and copy these words onto the list. I'm clearly not going to be able to go back and forth because it's not going to like that. So I'm going to pause this and come right back. Okay, I wrote down my words, and I'm going to go back over here to create a list, and I'm going to start over again. So that's one thing we've learned is you need your list before you start creating it. So I'm going to type My Personal List, and then I'm going to go here and I'm going to type the words in correctly. So make sure you have your list nearby. And I have after word for, oh no, hold on, I'm doing this wrong. Forward, this was spelled wrong. Forward, I have preoccupied, it doesn't want to come any lower. And I have whoopsie, get rid of that. I have predetermined, and let's just say that that's all the words I spelled wrong. Then I'm going to hit save. And now these are the choices that I have for now. I have to check the definitions. So it says that afterword means the information at the end of a book. Forward is a written introduction. Preoccupied means busy or having one's attention taken up. Predetermined means to arrange or strongly influence in advance. You need to find out what your words mean. So if any of those words are incorrect, you're going to need to look them up and find out if those are incorrect definitions. So these are the different things that you can do with them. You can view them, which is what we just did. Bring our list back up. If any of these are incorrect, you can go in and you can edit them. So I can go on here if I've got anything incorrect about the word's meaning. I can print them if I want to print my list. And then I can study the words by doing a word study or flashcards or videos. I can take a test. I can either take the practice spelling test or the real spelling test. And here's where we can play games. All the different games are at your disposal to play with your list. So that's all you need to know for right now, because what you're going to be doing is keeping a list of your own list, a running list of the words that you have missed. And as you are turning in writing projects, we'll be adding to this list, so it won't just be spelling. So then when we go back, if you want to find your list, you're going to go to My Lists, and there's your personal list, My Personal List. And when we want to add to that, there'll be a place for you to add when you go to Edit, Add a Word, and this is where you can add a word. Okay, that's all.